Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Roots of Analytics. In this session, we'll see some important keywords we are using in SQL to retrieve data from the database. So those keywords are like distinct, order by, and top. The distinct keyword is used with select statement to retrieve only unique records from a table. So when I want only unique records and I want to exclude all the duplicate records from a table, at that time I can go with distinct keyword. Also, I can use this distinct keyword for a single column to get the unique values from that column. Order by keyword. The order by keyword is used to sort the result of a select query in a specific sequence based on the value in one or more columns. So I can use order by in to a single column as well as to multiple columns. It will always arrange the value in ascending or in descending order. If I'm not specifying like the order, then by default it will return all the results in ascending order. The top keyword we are using to limit the number of rows returned by a query. So if I am having 100 records in a table and I want to see only 5 records, at that time I can use the top keyword to see the first 5 records from a table. These are the keywords we'll see in this session. What is the result we are getting when we are using these keywords? Let's go to SQL and we'll see like how we are using these keywords. So first I'll check this calendar sales table, what all records I am having in this table. So right now I am having 9 records, and if you'll focus over here, so you will get 2 duplicate records for ID1 and ID2. So I want to like overall we are having 9 records, and if I want to have all the unique records from this table, I can use select. So I want all the records, so I want select star from the table calendar sales. So I want only unique records. So what I can do, I can use only distinct over here. So if I'll execute this query, I will get all the unique records from the table. So if you can see, you cannot see the duplicate value for ID1 and ID2. So in this way, we can get all the unique records from a table. And if you want to see all the unique values for product column, that also we can do it by writing select distinct products from calendar sales table. So if I will execute this query, I will get all the distinct values from products column. Let's execute it to see what kind of results we are getting. You can see over here, we are getting laptop, mobile, and TV. These are the unique values we have in products column. So we are using mostly distinct keyword to get the unique records from a table or from a column. Similarly, why we are using order by keyword? So let's see. So if I'll write select star from calendar sales table, you can see over here in this way, I am getting it in ID sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Because like I have ingested this data in this way, so I am getting records in this way as well. So if I want to sort it in ascending order, so what kind of result I will get. So what I can do here, I can only write order by. So whether I want it in ascending order or descending order. So if I'll write it in descending order, so you will see here I order by ID in descending order. So if I will execute this query, I'll get data. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3. So 2 is repeated and 1 is repeated. So in this way, we'll get the value. And if I want to use it in ascending, so I don't need to specify anything over here. If I'll execute this query, I will get it the value in ascending order by default. Let's see how we are using top keyword. So I will write a query, select top. I want top 2 data, so I will use top 2. Then I will use star and from table name. So if I'll execute this query, it will return the value of first two records. So if I'll execute this query, you can see I am getting first two records from the table. And if I am saying like I want only those records where sales are arranged from descending to ascending. So what I can do, I'll write order by sales descending. So it will give me the two highest sales record. So if I'll execute this query, I will get in this way. And if you want to arrange in this way, I will get all the records. So top is a keyword mostly we are using to hub like the highest data or lowest data. So in that purpose, we are using top keyword. In our next session, we'll discuss what all functions we have and how we are using these functions in our day-to-day life and how we can retrieve data, how we can get all the data from a table by using functions. So that's all for this session. If you have any doubt, please write it in our comment box. So I'll make sure like I will bring some new videos on your comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.